Hi teachers, today I am going to explain you about how to conduct periodic test 1. This video is divided into two parts. In first part, I am going to explain you about role of exam in charge. In second part of the video, I will be explaining you about the role of particular subject teacher for a particular class and section. So let's move to the part 1 of the video where I am explaining the role of exam in charge. First, exam in charge needs to open Google Chrome web browser in the laptop. From the right side corner, make sure that your web browser is logging with correct mgsnagpur.org mail ID. From these 9 dots, exam in charge need to go on forms option. The current process which I am doing this to be done by exam in charge 1 or 2 days before the actual paper. Here you can see I am having two papers. Class Standard 8 Science PT1 Objective, Class Standard 8 Science PT1 Subjective. So there are two papers. Now, for example, in School of Scholar Yavatmal, Standard 8 is having 5 sections. So exam in charge need to make 5 copies of objective paper as well as 5 copies of subjective paper. How to do this? Now I am going to explain. Now, exam in charge will open objective paper first. From the 3 dots given at the top right corner, click on Make a Copy. From the resulting window, delete the word Copy of. And at the end, add class and section. So this copy will be used for Science Standard 8 Section A. Click on OK. So this new copy will open in your next tab. From the top side, make sure that this is a copy of 8th A standard. Again, exam in charge will click on 3 dots given at the top right and will click on Add Collaborators. In the resulting window, suppose Science subject teacher for standard 8th A is Rajni Borkute ma'am. In this case, exam in charge will add Rajni ma'am with the mgsnagpur.org ID as a collaborator. Give the editor's right from here and click on send. Same process, exam in charge will repeat for section 8th B, 8th C, 8th D and 8th E, and will add collaborator the particular subject teacher. I will repeat this process for 8th B now. We can close this tab so we can go to the original paper. Again through this 3 dot, click on Make a Copy. In resulting window, delete Copy of. And at the end, add 8th B. Click on OK. So 8th B copy will open in new tab. From here, again go to the 3 dot and exam in charge will click on Add Collaborators. Now, for example, 8th B science teacher is Saili madam. So exam in charge will add Saili Kashalkar madam with mgsnagpur.org ID as a teacher of 8th B. Give the editor's right from here and click on Set. So this process, exam in charge will repeat for all the 5 sections of 8th, that is 8th A to 8th E. In this case, suppose Rajni Borkute madam is teaching to 2 sections, that is 8th A and 8th C. So in this case, this process will be repeat twice for Rajni madam. So two separate copy will be created for 8th A as well as 8th C. In 8th A, Rajni Borkude madam will be the collaborator, as well as in 8th C, Rajni Borkude madam will be the collaborator. In short, if there are 5 sections, so 5 such a copies to be made, and exam in charge will add those 5 class subject teachers as a collaborator. This process need to be repeat for all remaining subjects. Now here objective test making copies and adding as a collaborator is finished. Now exam in charge will go to the subject test copy. So this is a Google form for subjective test. Again, from these 3 dots, exam in charge will click on make a copy. From the resulting window, delete copy of Word. Here give the class and section, click on OK. So this Google form copy will open in separate tab. From the 3 dots given at the right, click on add collaborator. Now as Rajni madam is a teacher for 8th A science, so here exam in charge will add her as a collaborator. Click on send. Same process need to be done for 8th B and remaining section. So I am doing it for 8th B. Through this 3 dot, click on make copy. Delete the words copy of, add class and section at the end, click on OK. So 8th B science subjective paper will open in new tab. From the right 3 dot, click on add collaborator. As Saili Kashalkar madam is subject teacher for 8B, add her as a collaborator and click on send option. So this procedure also need to be repeat for all the sections. So in this way, exam in charge make copies of objective form as well as subjective form and add respected subject teachers as a collaborator. Here the role of exam in charge get over. Now we are moving to the part 2 of this video, where the role of particular subject teacher for particular class and section comes. One day before the examination, subject teachers need to open Google Chrome web browser. From these 9 dots, go to the Google Classroom. Here Rajni Borkute madam is the subject teacher of Science Standard 8A. So she will open her Google Classroom. Now from the classwork tab, go to the create, then topic. Create the topic with the name periodic test 1. Click on add button. You can see this topic is created. Again go to the create, go to the assignment. Give the title periodic test 1 science. This we are doing for 8th A. Now there are certain instructions which I am going to give here. Instruction number 1 is first link is for objective test. Instruction number 2 is first link is to be opened at 8:20 a.m. and submit on or before 8:40 a.m. Third instruction is second link is for subjective test. Fourth instruction is second link is to be open at 8:45 a.m. and complete writing work on or before 9:55 a.m. And fifth instruction is upload the solve answer sheet in PDF format before 10:15 a.m. These instructions are for the students. Now, you need to make sure you should select or you should type particular timing as per your subject. The timings which I am showing is for science subject. Timings are little bit different for language. Same you have already got in the form of exam SOP and guideline, but for your convenience I am showing the timing. These are the timing for objective test Google form on and off timings. You can note it down or can take a snapshot of this screen. These are the timings for subjective test Google form. Particular subject teacher need to on and off the Google form responses as per the timing given in these two sheets. This first sheet is showing the timing for objective test and the second sheet is showing the timing for subjective test. Respective subject teacher need to on and off Google form responses according to the timing given. Now, let's come back to our assignment page of Google Classroom. Here, subject teacher need to click on Add. And from Google Drive or through the link, you can give the link of particular Google form. So I will add it through Google Drive. Here you can see this is a objective test form for standard 8th. So I will select it from here. So it will add here. Now this is first link. So first link is for objective test. Now again I need to go in add and click on Google Drive. From here now I will select 8th A subjective, this form. So now you can see the first link is 8th Science PT1 O for objective 8th A and second link is class 8 Science PT1 S for subjective 8th A. Make sure that first link should be of objective form and second link should be of subjective form as mentioned in these instructions for the student. Instead of adding from the drive, you can go to add and through the link also you can paste your form link here and click on add link. So either you can add the forms through your Google Drive or by pasting a link through this second link option. Choice is yours. Now we need to schedule the form. The process which I am telling, this process subject teacher need to do one day prior to their paper. From the right side, click on schedule option. Here give tomorrow's date. For example, today is 14 and tomorrow is my paper on 15. So I will give schedule assignment is 15 and give the starting time as 8:20 a.m. 8:20 a.m. and click on schedule. So this paper student can open tomorrow at 8:20. Still the work is to be done. So I need to click on this three dot and edit. Now this paper is scheduled for 8:20 a.m. on next day. Now here you can assign the mark. Suppose including objective and subjective total marks are 40. So you can give here a point value as a 40. It may vary subject to subject. Now due date. Give the due date as the same date of paper and end timing should be 10:15 a.m. 10:15 a.m. So kindly see this timing properly. It means your exam will start at 8:20 a.m. and will end including the uploading of answer sheet by student at 10:15 a.m. Under the topic, give the heading Periodic Test 1. Now click on Schedule button at the right top corner. So this paper will be visible to students, but they cannot open it till the scheduled date is coming. So this is the process which subject teacher need to do one day before the examination. Now, what is the process on actual day of examination which the subject teacher will do? That I am going to explain. Now, on the day of exam, subject teacher again open Google Classroom, Google Chrome web browser. From these 9 dots, teacher need to go to Google Forms. So at 8:20, what teacher need to do is, for example, I am going for 8th A. So let me open it. This is objective test of 8th A. From responses, suppose this was closed beforehand. So at 8:20, particular teacher need to open this response for objective as well as subjective. Now I will go to the subjective paper as well. Suppose this is subjective, make sure that from responses it is on. These both the form responses need to be on at 8:20 by particular subject teacher on the day of exam. At 8:40, as per given in this sheet, science teacher will close the accepting responses option at 8:40. But for language, this timing is 9 a.m. So please follow this sheet while closing the responses option. As I am giving you the demo for science, so science teacher will close accept response option at 8:40 a.m. for objective test only. So I am going to the objective test. So here my 8th Science A PT1 objective test Google form is open. From responses, I need to close this accepting responses at 8:40 a.m. sharp. Now at 9:55 a.m. I need to close accepting responses for subjective test. I need to go to responses and need to close accepting responses. So at 8:40 a.m. you need to close accepting responses for objective test, and at 9:55 a.m. you need to close it for subjective test. Now 9:55 to 10:15, these 20 minutes students will get to upload their solve answer sheet in the PDF format. Thank you teachers. Thank you.